Okay, viewers, today I have brought something absolutely incredible for you. First of all, take a look at these videos. These are stunning 3D cartoon-style animations that were created with just a single prompt. As you can see, the animation quality, cinematic visuals, and engaging storytelling look absolutely amazing. It's hard to believe these videos can be generated with just one click. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. But before we jump into the tutorial, let me show you a few YouTube channels. The first channel is Family Life English. As you can see, it's generating an estimated 7.6K per month, and many of its videos have received over 800,000 views. The content is based on simple, engaging family stories that also help viewers improve their English. Here's another channel called Sarah Family English. Even with a smaller audience, it's earning around 1K per month, and several of its videos are also approaching 800,000 views. And finally, let's look at Slow English Stories. This channel follows the same concept, simple English storytelling, combined with emotional animated visuals, and it's another great example of how powerful this niche has become. The reason I'm showing you these channels is simple. Right now, English animated story channels are growing incredibly fast on YouTube. If you create high-quality videos like these in a 16:9 format and upload them consistently, they are fully eligible for YouTube monetization. And this niche still has huge potential. Now the big question is, how can you create these videos yourself? Don't worry, I'll show you the complete workflow step by step. First, let me show you the master prompt that I have already prepared. You'll find this prompt in the description below. It generates everything you need, including the complete story, image prompts, video prompts, and voiceover prompts. You can use either ChatGPT or Claude AI to generate all of these assets automatically. As you can see, I already have all my image prompts, video prompts, and voiceover prompts ready. So now it's time for the most exciting part of today's tutorial. The tool we're going to use is OpenArt AI. Honestly, viewers, this platform is absolutely incredible. OpenArt has recently launched a powerful new feature called Director, and it can generate complete short films from your ideas. Besides that, it also offers text to video, image to video, VFX, lip sync, and many other advanced AI video models. When it comes to image generation, you'll find powerful models like GPT Image 2, Nano Banana, and several others. It also includes character consistency tools, world-building features, style references, and even AI audio generation. In my opinion, OpenArt is one of the most complete AI creative platforms available today, because it allows you to create almost everything from a single website. Let's start by generating our images. I'll click on Create, then go to the Models section. Here you'll see multiple AI models, including GPT Image 2, Nano Banana, and Nano Banana 2. Since GPT Image 2 is currently one of the latest and most powerful models, I'll select that. Next, I'll copy my first image prompt, paste it into the prompt box, choose the output ratio and other settings, and finally click Generate. Now the image generation has started. Let's wait just a few moments, and wow, look at this result. The quality is absolutely incredible. OpenArt has generated a beautiful cinematic 3D image with outstanding detail and impressive 4K quality visuals. The characters, lighting, colors, and overall composition look fantastic. Now let's generate the second scene. I'll simply copy the next prompt, paste it, and click Generate once again. After a few seconds, there it is. Another stunning 3D cinematic image with consistent characters and excellent quality. Now I'll continue the same process for the remaining scenes. I'll copy each prompt, paste it into OpenArt, and generate them one after another. To save time, I'll queue several prompts together. After waiting a short while, take a look at the final results. All of my story images have now been generated successfully, and every single image looks incredibly detailed, colorful, and professionally rendered in high-quality 4K. I'm honestly impressed by how consistent and cinematic these images look. Now that our image generation is complete, it's time for the most exciting part of today's video. We're going to transform all of these static images into a complete animated short film using OpenArt's brand new Director feature. First, I'll download all of the images I just created. Next, I'll open the Director tool. Inside Director, I'll upload all of these images as reference images. These references will help OpenArt understand the characters, visual style, and story direction. I've also prepared a detailed story description requesting a 42-second cinematic short drama along with all the necessary instructions. Everything is ready. Now all I have to do is click the Generate button. As you can see, OpenArt has started creating the complete animated story automatically. Now, let's take a look at what it has generated. As you can see, it has already created the complete story structure. It has written the full storyline, introduced all of the characters, and divided the story into 7 different scenes. If we open the storyboard, you'll notice that every scene already has its own story concept, character placement, and visual planning. Everything is organized automatically. Now the tool is working on the next stage. It has identified all of the main characters that will appear in the story and is creating a consistent character design for each one. As you can see, every character is now being prepared with matching visuals, and the voiceover is also being generated at the same time. This is what makes the director feature so powerful. It automatically creates the story, identifies the characters, generates cinematic images, decides which scene should appear at what time, prepares the backgrounds, writes the narration, adds background music, and then combines everything into one complete animated film. And the best part is, it does all of this with just a single click. Now let's wait a few moments while the remaining generation is completed. And here we go. Our entire animated story is now ready. Just look at this result. Within only a minute or two, OpenArt has created a complete cinematic 3D animated story with synchronized voiceover, background music, smooth scene transitions, and consistent characters. Honestly, this is one of the best AI-generated stories I've ever created. I've tested many different AI tools over the years, but I haven't seen anything that delivers this level of quality and automation in such a simple workflow. The visual quality is absolutely stunning. Every scene looks cinematic, the characters remain perfectly consistent, the voiceover matches every moment, the background music fits the emotions, and the entire story feels like a professionally produced animated short film. This particular story is around 42 seconds long, and OpenArt created the entire project from story to final video in just a couple of minutes. That is seriously impressive. If you want to make any final edits, you can easily upload your own music, media files, subtitles, or captions directly inside the editor. Once you're happy with the result, simply click Export Video, and your final video will be rendered and ready to download. After that, you can upload it directly to YouTube, TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook, or any other platform you like. Now let's quickly talk about OpenArt's pricing. As you can see, OpenArt offers several subscription options, including Advanced, Infinite, and Wonder plans. These plans are available with both monthly and yearly billing. If you choose the annual subscription, you can save up to 27%, making it even more affordable. Compared to many other AI platforms on the market, OpenArt offers excellent value while providing an all-in-one solution for image generation, video creation, storytelling, character consistency, voiceover generation, and editing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye!